Hi, I'm John. Autel's tablets are known for their diagnostic prowess, but the tablet's comprehensive hotkey service menu is what gives technicians immediate access to the service function. These features increase the tool's value by enabling both simple and complicated services to be performed with equal efficiency. Let's use the MaxiCheck MX808 to perform a forced regeneration of a diesel particulate filter. The diesel particulate filter, or DPF for short, is an emissions control device standard on 2009 and newer diesel fuel burning vehicles. The filter collects toxic soot particles and prevents them from escaping into the air. Over time, soot builds up in the filter. The DPF system is designed to automatically regenerate the filter by using engine heat to burn the soot into smaller particles. If the vehicle is unable to regenerate the filter during regular use, it may prompt the driver to operate the vehicle for a specific period of time at a specific speed. Autel's tablets enable the technician to conduct a forced DPF regeneration for when the system fails. The MaxiCheck MX808 is an all-systems and all-service tablet perfect for high-volume maintenance shops. It's particularly useful to those needing to perform forced diesel particulate filter regenerations. We're using an MX808 for this regen demonstration, but all of Autel's tablets feature the same easy-to-use navigation and provide detailed step-by-step instructions. Before attempting a forced regen, select Autoscan to scan the vehicle for engine codes. A forced regen cannot occur while codes are present. Next, tap on the service menu on the home screen. Then tap the DPF/SRC icon. Select the button to initiate the forced regeneration on the vehicle. The instructions vary by vehicle, so take care to follow the directions displayed. The vehicle will then proceed to perform the regeneration itself, raising and lowering the engine RPMs as needed to clear the filter. A forced regen can take between 20 and 40 minutes, depending on the amount of congestion within the filter. The tablet will display a message once the regen has been completed. The engine will return to normal RPMs, and the exhaust should be noticeably clearer than before the procedure. The DPF light can be reset in the previous menu. All service procedures are vehicle specific. Be sure to follow the instructions displayed on the tablet for the vehicle you are servicing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about using your Autel tool, please visit our website at autel.com or contact our technical support staff.